Hey, to connect the JBL Go 4 with the JBL portable mobile application, first of all, you have to turn on your speaker by clicking once on the power button and then click once on the Bluetooth button to enter for the pairing mode. Now it will start blinking quickly, you will also hear that beep sound. Now all you have to do is just to open the Bluetooth settings on our device, open the pairing list and select your speaker. Accept the pairing request, and in the next step we have to download application on Android devices or iPhone. So we have to open Play Store on Android, App Store on iOS devices, click on the search and input this phrase, JBL Portable. We have to get this application. So we have to click on this install button, and after installation is finished, you will have to open it. Now we have to accept this permission, and you will also have probably some kind of the welcome screen. And after this welcome screen just disappear, you will be successfully connected. So as you can see, that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.